Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe and you have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So now let's take a look at this USDJPY. First, before we place any trade, right, we would ask ourselves what this trend is. We can see that this USDJPY is clearly a downtrend movement. A lower lows, lower highs is what played out here. That is one. Secondly, we can see that we are trading below the 10 period simple moving average, right? So we can see that this price was below is trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So to see these movements, we will take a look at this to be a lower lows, then this will be considered to be a lower highs, a new lower lows here. We take a look at this to be a lower highs, a lower lows that took out the previous lows, and a lower highs here. If we take a look at this is seen to be a lower lows that took out these previous lows, and now we are making a lower highs, by the way. So I don't think this lower highs is over. Let's see if this lower highs will hit a level of 129, 130 the next day. So that is the level that I'm watching out for. Currently, we are trading at 128. So I would want to see this USDJPY give us a bullish move for the next day. Once it hits a level of, let's say a level of 129.712. So let's watch out at least for that level or close to that level, which is a level of 129.712. If it can get there, then I should be then we can now expect this USD JPY to continue its drop. By the way, the drop is not yet starting. We are having a pullback which is bullish. So until that pullback which is bullish is over, then we can now continue the downtrend move. Now that should take us to the 4-hour time frame. Basically, we can see this 4-hour time frame. So we see something like this as a 4-hour time frame drop, a pullback, right? This is a drop, right? So let me zoom it out. So if we take a look at this to be okay, if we take a look at this to be a drop, if we take this to be a drop, then this is now considered to be a pullback, right? So if in case this price drops further down and take out this previous lows here, this lows you can see, which is at the level of 127. If it can take it, if it can take out that low, hereby a new low is being formed, then maybe we can now go ahead and sell on this USDJPY. That can now be a confirmation that okay, a new loss has played out, that we can now go ahead and take it. But I personally don't think this loss is over. I believe that this will be a pullback, that one more move should be made that will hit that level of 129 if I can start getting that drop that I will be watching out for. By the way, price can play out in a different way whereby it will just drop and take out this low. So if price can eventually drop and take out this lows, then we can now say, okay, this USDJPY is on a bearish move. It is now time for us to go ahead and sell.